In this video, I'm going to solve 4 questions about circumference of parts of circles. So the first question is, find the arc length of a semicircle. You see that the radius is 11. So r equals 11, and the full circumference is 2 pi r, which means the full circumference is 2 pi times 11, which means the full circumference is 2 times 11 is 22 pi. Okay, we can either enter an exact answer in terms of pi or use 3.14 for pi and enter your answer as a decimal. Okay, so the full circumference is 22 pi, so a semicircle is c divided by 2, which means that 22 pi divided by 2 is 11 pi. So the answer in terms of pi is 11 pi. Good. Next question. Find the arc length of the partial circle. Okay, again, either enter an exact answer in terms of pi or use 4.14 for 3.14 for pi and enter your answer as a decimal. Okay, so the radius here is 8. This is the radius, so r equals 8. And we need to find the length of the arc, which is a quarter of the circumference. So the full circumference is 2 pi r, and r is 8, so the full circumference is 2 pi times 8, because I plugged in 8 instead of r. So the full circumference is 2 times 8 is 16. So the full circumference is 16 pi. And here the length of the arc is 1/4 of the full circumference. So c divided by 4 is 16 pi divided by 4, which means that 1/4 of the circumference is 16 divided by 4 is 4, 4 divided by 4 is 1, so 1/4 of the circumference is 4 pi. Good. Okay, find the arc length of the partial circle. So again, this is 1/4 of the full circumference, because this is the second part, this is the third part, and this is the fourth part. So we have 1/4 of the full circumference. So the full circumference is 2 pi r. And since r, the radius, equals 1, so the full circumference is 2 pi times 1, which is 2 pi. So the full circumference is 2 pi, and we need 1/4 of the full circumference. So c divided by 4 equals 2 pi divided by 4. So 2/4 is 1/2 pi. Okay, so c, the circumference divided to 4 by 4 is 1, this becomes 2, because 4 divided by 2 is 2, 2 divided by 2 is 1, so 1/2 pi is the length of this arc, which is 1/4 of the full circumference. Find the arc length of the partial circle. Either enter an exact answer in terms of pi or use 3.14 for pi and enter your answer as a decimal. Okay, so here the length of the arc is 3/4 of the circumference. Okay, we see here a right angle, and the right angle is 90 degrees, 90 degrees out of 360 degrees, because 360 degrees is the full circle, and 90 degrees out of 360, so we can cancel out the 0, and 9 out of 13, this becomes 36 divided by 9 is 4, 9 divided by 9 is 1, so this is 1, no, yes, okay, so this is 1/4, so this arc is 1/4 of the circumference, so the rest is 3/4 to complete to a full circle. Okay, so now we know that the length of the arc is 3/4 of the full circumference. The full circumference is 2 pi r, and we see that r equals 2, so the full circumference is 2 pi r. Okay, so 2 pi times 2, so I plugged in 2 instead of r, so the full circumference is 4 pi, and we need 3/4 of the circumference, so 3/4 times 4 pi, 3 times 4 is 12, 12 divided by 4 is 3, so 3/4 of the circumference is 3 pi. Quarters times 4, so this cancels out. Yeah. So we are left with 3 pi. Yeah. Thank you for watching, and in the next video I'm going to do this practice area of parts of circles. So I will see you in the next video.